Onglon Electrocoup F3010, crafted by INFACO, embodies innovation and precision in pruning technology. Weighing a mere 708 grams, its compact and lightweight design belies the powerful performance it delivers. One of its standout features is its substantial cutting capacity, offering 3 distinct kits tailored for varying needs. The 40mm standard kit, the 45mm medium kit, and the impressive 55mm maxi kit. This range ensures adaptability across a spectrum of pruning requirements, empowering users with the right tool for the task at hand. The ergonomic and sleek design of the Electrocoup F3010 prioritizes user comfort without compromising on functionality. Moreover, its integration of cutting-edge technology and connectivity elevates the pruning experience to new heights. The inclusion of the standard DS's wireless anti-cutting system ensures a secure and safe operation, instilling confidence in every use. A defining aspect of this pruner is its interchangeable heads. This innovative feature allows for effortless customization, enabling users to switch cutting heads according to specific pruning needs. Whether adjusting for different tasks or conditions, this adaptability streamlines the pruning process, enhancing efficiency and precision. Furthermore, the true versatility of the Electrocoup F3010 emerges with the medium and maxi kits. Within a mere 5 minutes, this pruner transforms seamlessly, accommodating diverse pruning applications, whether occasional or permanent. This unique capability stands unrivaled in the industry, showcasing 3 interchangeable heads with adjustable half-opening, all integrated with the DS's safety system for added peace of mind. TopFlow Z for efficient milking. Utilizing GEA's TopFlow Z milking unit ensures efficient and ergonomic milking. Its swift and easy attachment allows for precise positioning, enabling an ergonomic posture while milking. Precise stand recognition. Equipped with milk measurement linked to stand recognition, half of the parlor ensures accurate data collection. Milk measurements inform the feeding system, determining individual goat feed amounts based on average yield. Stand recognition boasts 99.5% accuracy, superior to walk-through recognition systems. Energy-efficient design. The milking system, located in an underground subway area where goats stand, enhances the equipment's lifespan. Additionally, the V-Cool tank from Hea, with a 25 cubic meters capacity, cools milk efficiently via a Hea plate cooler, minimizing energy usage. A heat recovery system further optimizes energy by using residual milk heat to warm water for cleaning the installation and V-Cool. The process begins with shearing, a practice that involves carefully removing the wool from the sheep's body. It's not merely about obtaining wool for various purposes, it's a procedure that ensures the sheep's hygiene and health. By shearing the sheep before they give birth, the flock is kept free from lice and other potential parasites. This preventive measure is crucial in maintaining the overall health of the flock, especially during a vulnerable period like lambing season. Moreover, shearing offers practical advantages beyond hygiene. It plays a crucial role in assisting the caretakers in monitoring the ewes for signs of labor. With their wool removed, it becomes easier to detect subtle physical changes that indicate the onset of labor. This is immensely helpful in ensuring that the pregnant ewes receive timely and appropriate care during the birthing process. The benefits extend to the newborn lambs as well. Shearing facilitates a smoother start for the lambs by enhancing their ability to locate and feed from their mother's udders. With the wool removed, the lambs encounter fewer obstacles while searching for nourishment. This can be a critical factor, especially for the first-time mothers or when the conditions are less than ideal. Ensuring that the lambs can readily access their mother's milk is crucial for their early growth and development. The shearing process itself demands skill and care. Trained professionals execute the shearing with precision, ensuring the sheep's safety and comfort throughout the procedure. Specialized equipment and techniques are employed to efficiently remove the wool while minimizing any discomfort or stress for the animals. Designed specifically for goat farms, the double feed pusher mechanism within the 1-2 feed system operates seamlessly, ensuring a consistent and timely distribution of feed. This system recognizes the importance of regular feeding schedules for goats, as it directly impacts their growth, productivity, and overall health. The automated nature of the 1-2 feed system eliminates the need for manual feeding, reducing labor costs and human error while maintaining a high level of precision in portion control. This consistency is crucial in goat farming, as deviations in feed portions or timing can lead to health issues or uneven growth among the animals. Moreover, the double feed pusher technology ensures that all goats receive their required portions of feed, preventing dominant animals from consuming an unfair share or smaller, weaker goats from missing out on essential nutrition. This equitable distribution promotes a healthier and more balanced herd. The system's user-friendly interface allows for easy customization of feeding schedules and portion sizes, catering to the specific needs of different groups of goats within the farm. Additionally, its smart monitoring capabilities provide real-time data on feeding patterns, consumption rates, and any potential issues, allowing farmers to make informed decisions and adjustments as needed. The Gangtrog for sheep constitutes a flexible and expandable feeding system designed for use in stables. These troughs can be interconnected and adjusted in height, providing adaptability within the housing environment. The lateral boundary tubes are customizable to accommodate different animal sizes. The trough is accessible for filling purposes, allowing easy and convenient feeding procedures. These Patura solutions cater to the specific needs of sheep farming by offering versatile and adaptable feeding equipment. The modular design allows for customization based on the space available and the number of animals being managed. Moreover, the adjustability of both the gang rack and gang trough ensures efficient utilization regardless of changes in the flock's size or housing conditions. The flexibility and scalability of these systems are further enhanced by the availability of a diverse range of supplementary accessories. These additional components facilitate seamless connections between modules and provide solutions for various configurations based on individual farm requirements. The emphasis on adjustability, be it in height, size, or adaptability to bedding, reflects a commitment to promoting animal welfare and efficient management practices. By allowing for personalized adjustments and easy accessibility for filling, these feeding systems simplify daily routines and contribute to the overall efficiency and well-being of the housed sheep. Commencing with a total of 5,200 ewes, this cycle initiates the process of mating. Out of this considerable number, 932 ewes were tagged during the second cycle. These tags serve as unique identifiers, distinguishing this specific subset within the larger flock. Notably, within this tagged group, 85% had already received markings during the prior breeding cycle. signifying a level of continuity and traceability in the breeding program. This continuity in marking suggests a strategic approach to tracking and managing individual ewes throughout multiple cycles, enhancing precision in monitoring their reproductive patterns. However, within this cohort, there remains an intriguing 5%, families that hadn't received markings in either of the initial 2 cycles. This distinction might indicate several possibilities, including new additions to the flock, unique lineage, or specific breeding strategies being employed selectively for this subset. The subsequent step in their management protocol involves an in-depth evaluation of these tagged ewes' performance history. This evaluation appears to be a pivotal criterion for the selection process moving forward. If these ewes fail to replicate their previous year's performance or exhibit a less favorable track record, they face exclusion from the group slated for the 3rd cycle. This assessment underscores the farm's commitment to maintaining high-quality breeding stock, prioritizing the health, fertility, and overall productivity of the ewe population. This inclusion of stress and happiness factors within the evaluation process speaks volumes about the farm's holistic approach to animal welfare and breeding success. Such considerations suggest a comprehensive understanding of the impact of environmental factors on ewe health and, by extension, their breeding efficiency.